In this video, we will show how to lock the price to bar ratio on TradingView. So you hover over the price scale and you right click. There's a choice here, lock price to bar ratio. Click on it. Nothing changes. Why? The lock price to bar ratio, all it does is it locks the relationship between the y-axis price with the x-axis. So if I click on the price scale and I compress and expand the chart, you see how both axes move together. If I zoom in excessively, you see how the chart changes. Not great, but we will show what happens. If you zoom out again, you see how the price here on the y-axis expands and broadens and how time also moves out. Again, let's zoom in. Not great, right? Why? Because we locked the price to bar ratio at $1,842 per bar. So that means if I fully zoom in on one bar, then the distance and price here is approximately $1,800, correct? Correct. Now let's actually zoom out because this doesn't work, and let's remove the lock. You click again and we go to zoom. You see how the chart does not behave in the same way? Right now I'm zooming. I am using the price scale, I am expanding and compressing, and you see how the relationship between the X and the Y axis is not fixed. So if I zoom in, the chart adjusts and behaves differently. Now, why would you want to lock the price to bar ratio? Technical analysts that use geometric ratios, Gantt charts, things like that need to keep the geometric relationship intact. If a chart is not locked, then those relationships change and you see how technical formations, trend lines, shapes, and so on change. If you lock it, they keep their proportions, their shapes, their angles, and so on. So this is how you lock price to bar ratio and exactly what it does. Have a great day, guys.